Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy English, English for Beginners. I am very happy you are here today. My name is Tommy. I'm your English friend. I am your English coach, and I am here to help you speak English slowly, clearly, confidently. Today's lesson is very special. Today, we will talk about English conversation. Yes, English conversation. Many learners tell me this. Tom, I understand English, but I cannot speak English. Maybe you feel nervous. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe your mind feels blank. You know the words, but the words do not come out. If this is you, this lesson is for you. Relax. Take a deep breath. You are safe here. You can learn here. You can practice here. Today, we will speak English together. Slow English, easy English, real English. Let us begin. Before we start the lesson, I want to tell you something important. English is not talent. English is not magic. English is not magic. English is a skill. A skill means you can learn it. A skill means you can improve it. Think about walking. When you were a baby, you fell many times, but you did not stop. Now you walk easily. English is the same. Speaking English is the same. At first, speaking is hard. You think slowly. You make mistakes. This is normal. This is good. Mistakes mean you are learning. Say this with me. Mistakes are okay. Again, mistakes are okay. Double quotes. Good. Now say, I can speak English. Again, I can speak English. Maybe not perfect, but you can speak. Do not wait to be perfect. Perfect never comes. Speak now. Practice now. Grow now. Consistency is more important than speed. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours one day. English loves daily practice. Your brain loves daily practice. Be kind to yourself. Go slowly, but never stop. You are doing well. I am proud of you. Now let me show you how to use this video. This lesson has 3 steps. Step 1. Listening first. Just listen. Do not translate every word. Listen to my voice. Listen to the sentences. Your brain is learning. Even if you feel slow, listening is the first step, always. Step 2. Shadowing. Shadowing. Shadowing means speaking with me. I speak, you speak at the same time. Do not stop the video. Your tongue is learning. This builds confidence. Step 3. Repeating aloud. Repeating aloud. When I say, repeat after me, please repeat out loud. Speaking in your head is not enough. Your mouth must move. Now, you are ready. Let us go to the main lesson. Let us start with home, daily routine, simple life. Listen first. I wake up in the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up in the morning. Again. I wake up in the morning. Good. I get out of bed. Repeat. I get out of bed. Again. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth. Again. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Repeat. I wash my face. I wash my face. Again. I wash my face. Simple explanation. Wake up equals open your eyes. Brush equals use water. Equals use water. Listen. Speaker. A. What do you do in the morning? Speaker B. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Now you. Repeat slowly. What do you do in the morning? Answer. I wake up. Again. I wake up. Good. Repeat slowly with me. I wake up in the morning. Brush my teeth. I wash my face. Very good. You are learning. Now, let us talk about work. Listen carefully. I go to work. Repeat. I go to work. Again. I go to work. I start work at 9. Repeat. I start work at 9. Again. I start work at 9. I work with my team. Repeat. I work with my team. Again. I work with my team. Explanations. Start equals begin. Team equals people. You work with conversation. At work speaker. A. What time do you start work? Speaker B. I start work at 9. Time do you start work? Answer. I start work at 9. Again. I start work at 9. Slow. Repeat. I go to work. I start work at 9. I work with my team. Excellent. Now shopping English. Listen. Double quote. I want this. Repeat. I want this. Again. I want this. How much is this? Repeat. How much is this? Again. How much is this? It is cheap. Repeat. It is cheap. Again. It is cheap. Cheap equals not expensive. Conversation. Shopping speaker. A. How much is this? Speaker B. It is cheap. Now, repeat both. Repeat slowly. How much is this? It is cheap. Very nice. Now travel English. Listen. I need a ticket. Repeat. I need a ticket. Again. I need a ticket. Where is the bus? Repeat. Where is the bus? Again. Where is the bus? Conversation. Travel speaker. A. Where is the bus? Speaker B. It is there. Repeat. I need a ticket. Where is the bus? Good job. Now, talking to people. Double quotes. Hello. How are you? Repeat. Hello. How are you? Again. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Repeat. I am fine. Again. I am fine. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you. Conversation. Meeting people. Speaker A. Hello. How are you? Speaker B. I am fine. Repeat both. Repeat slowly. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Excellent.